Alright guys, today I'm making this video because I am basically tired of seeing people getting scammed, losing their money while trying to make money with meme coins, guys. I'm basically tired of seeing people struggling to get out of the trenches while other people in the same industry are making a shit ton of money on your back and have been gatekeeping the method they've been using so they only can make money while you guys lose all your savings. So today I'm gonna show you how they're making it, how they're doing it. I'm not here to sell you anything. I'm not here to sell you a Telegram group or a Discord server. None of that. I'm here to give you a free method, free sauce for free on YouTube. Like I said, it's gonna be straightforward. So let's get straight to it. So basically, the method I'm going to show you today is how these people are able to launch meme coins on the Solana blockchain, primarily on the Radium decentralized exchange. The Radium decentralized exchange is where the biggest meme coins are getting traded on. So they launch their coins on the Radium, and basically they wait for enough buyers to come in because Radium, it gives you a lot of exposure to buyers. It's a bigger exchange than Pump Fund. Back in the days before PumpSwap, all the Pump.Fund coins used to migrate on Radium, and the biggest meme coins you can think of are listed on Radium. When you think about the Pepe coin, when you think about the Trump coin, they're all on Radium. So it gives you a lot of exposure to buyers with a lot of capital. So that's why it's better to launch on Radium compared to Pump.Fund or Moonshot or these other launch pads, guys. So they launch their coin on Radium, they wait for enough buyers to come in, and when there's enough money flowing into their token, basically, they just remove the liquidity pool for profit. I'm going to show you how they do it for educational purposes only, of course. So let's get straight to it. So the first step, guys, it's actually going to be creating the meme coin, right? So to do so, I found the perfect tool to do so. It's called mintrush.fun. I've been using it for my own personal project. Why, guys? Because it's simple, it's fast. You just click on a couple of buttons. You don't need to code anything, and it's cheap, guys. So it's the best alternative here on the market. So I'm just going to show you around the website. There's a step-by-step guide on how to do it, how to use Mintrush. Look, guys, those are the Mintrush top performers. So basically, these three coins here have been launched on the Mintrush, and they have reached crazy all-time high market caps, guys. If you have any questions, it might get answered in the FAQ here. But yeah, guys, it's a straightforward process. So first, what you're going to do, you're going to connect your wallet to the website. Then, guys, the next step is actually going to be finding a viral coin to launch. So some people, what they do, they just copy and paste tokens from Pump.Fun. What I would advise you to do is also go on the Xtrainer, filter coin by Radium. So basically, when you see the little logo here, it basically means that it was launched on Radium. And instead of copying Pump.Fun coins, you can just copy Radium coins. So we're just going to pick this coin here. Looks like a good coin too, $47 million market cap, which is absolutely crazy. Then, guys, what you would do is you would just take the picture here. The picture is bad quality, so we would have to go on their website, for example. That's the contact address. I don't know. I need an image. I need a picture, guys. Their Twitter, maybe. Yeah, we can go on their Twitter. So, look, guys, you go on their Twitter. You come back here. What's the name? So that's the name. That's the symbol. My bad. That's the name. So you go back on Mintrush. You upload the image you just downloaded. Here it is. So now we would just copy and paste the token name. So La Boo Boo. La Boo Boo. For the description, just write something dumb. La Boo Boo. Here to dominate, something dumb like this. It doesn't need to be sophisticated. For the supply, just keep it at 1 billion. For the decimals, put it at 9. Then you just click on continue. Continue. Here, guys, that's the most important part of the coin creation process, guys. So that's basically where you'll be able to revoke freeze, mint, and update authority, guys. So you need to revoke freeze authority because it's basically gonna tell your buyers, tell your investors that you're not gonna freeze their wallets out of nowhere if they decide to buy into your coin. So they're always gonna be able to sell your coin or exchange your coin to other wallets. Then you need to revoke mint authority because when they're going to see mint authority revoked, they're basically going to trust your coin more. They're going to trust you that you're not going to print more tokens out of thin air and just dilute their holdings, guys. So you need to check this one. And update authority, you need to revoke update. Basically, you're not going to be able to change the name, the symbol, the image of the token. Basically, the metadata itself, you're not going to be able to change it. So you need to revoke it, and it's completely free on this platform. That's why I love to use it. It's cheap. So then, guys, when everything is in check, when everything has been done, you just click on launch my token now. So guys, no worries. This is a standard message, standard procedure because the website is a bit new. But no worries, I'm going to show you the entire process throughout the video without any cuts. You see everything that is going on. So you can just proceed anyway. You can just confirm, confirm. Boom, guys. Just like that, the token has been successfully created. So that's the token address here. You can go on the Explorer, for example, copy the token address here, paste it here, and it should appear. Yep, la boo, that's the token image, a billion tokens, 9 decimals. That's the same address as Mintrush. So everything is in check. So guys, now the next step would be actually creating the liquidity pool for our token. So to do so, you would just click on create liquidity pool, and now everything is going on the same website. Everything is on the same website. You don't need to go out of the website to do all of this. You stay on Mintrush and you make your money with Mintrush. So to do so, guys, you would just select your wallet here. You would find it and select it. So here it is, la boo boo. So here you would put the amount of SOL you want in your liquidity pool. So for the sake of the video, I'm going to put like 0.2 SOL. And here, that's the token amount. So basically, the amount of token, the amount of Labubu tokens you're going to put into the liquidity pool. Most of the times, I just put 900 millions of my tokens. So 900, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Make sure it's 900 million and not 9 billion, or else it's not going to work. You know, if you put 9 billion here, there's going to be a problem. So 900 million tokens. Then you just click on add liquidity. I told you to not make. So yeah, that's basically it. I'm swapping 900 million tokens. I'm getting back 13,000 liquidity pool tokens, and that's the amount of SOL you're putting back in the liquidity pool. Keep in mind, guys, the amount of SOL you're putting in the liquidity pool, you're not losing it. You can always remove the liquidity pool and get your money back without any issue. No worries about that. You can always get your money back, even if I don't know, no one buys into your coin, you're still getting back your 0.4, 0.5 SOL back in your wallet. It's money you're not losing, guys. But I'm not going to create liquidity pool right now because I have already a coin that has been launched an hour ago that I'm going to show you. It's performing really, really well. So let me just show it to you. So here it is, guys. Crazy. I'm already $23,000 in profit. By the way, guys, when you're gonna create your liquidity pool, after like 5 to 10 minutes, it's gonna show up here in your Radium pools with your token image, the amount of SOL you put in the liquidity pool, and your profit and loss, guys. It's gonna look exactly the same. You just have to refresh a couple of times, and it's gonna show up in your Radium pools menu. So here, guys, you know what? I'm just gonna view it on the screener, the coin. Here it is, that's our token. So now I'm just waiting for more buys to come in. And then after like an hour or two, because this is a big project, most of the times you don't need to wait an hour. Most people, they remove the liquidity pool after 10 to 15 or 20 minutes. But after an hour, I'm gonna wait a bit more for more buys to come in. And then I'm just gonna press on the remove liquidity button here and get the 200 SOL I have in the liquidity pool, guys, and make it $23,000 profit, which is absolutely crazy, guys. All of this is for educational purposes only, to show you how it works. Everything is AI. I do not do it at home. You know, this is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to do anything. It's just to show you how people are actually making money with meme coins these last couple of months, guys.